In this post, we will repair the Huawei P30 Lite not charging problem, charging ways, and its jumper solution, a mid-range device with impressive specs. After providing support to Android users for years, we can already predict that this kind of charging and the power-related issue would be among the first ones Samsung Galaxy A04e owners may encounter. First, check the charging port on your device to ensure that it is not blocked or damaged. If it is, try using a small object such as a toothpick to gently remove any debris. Once the port is clear, try plugging in your charger and attempt to charge the device. If the Huawei P30 Lite still will not charge, the next step is to make sure the charger itself is working properly. To do this, try plugging the charger into a different outlet and attempt to charge the device. If the device does not charge, it is possible the charger needs to be replaced. If the charger is working properly, the next step is to check the battery life of the device. To do this, press and hold the power button until the device turns off. Once the device is off, press and hold the power button again until the device turns back on. If the battery life indicator is low, it might be time to replace the battery. Hardware reasons for Huawei P30 Lite not charging problem. There are 4 basic hardware-related reasons why your Huawei P30 Lite could be charging slowly, and I will explain each of them in turn and in order of increasing probability. The issue could be there is dirt, dust, or debris lodged in the charging port. The power adapter is damaged or faulty. The USB cable is no longer working properly. You are using the wrong power adapter for your phone or a weak USB port. Huawei P30 Lite specifications. A mid-range smartphone with a 6.15-inch screen, Kirin 710 chipset, and choices of 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM with 128 GB of internal storage is the Huawei P30 Lite. Along with a 32MP front camera, it offers a triple rear camera configuration with 24MP, 8MP, and 2MP lenses. The device has EMUI 9.0 on top of Android 9.0 Pie. A 3,340 mAh battery with support for quick charging powers the device. The P30 Lite features a sleek glass back, a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, and multiple connectivity choices including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and USB Type-C. Fix and repair Huawei P30 Lite not charging problems, changing ways. In the below image we draw the Huawei P30 Lite charging ways and its jumper check continuity using a multimeter if any track damage makes a jumper on the Huawei P30 Lite motherboard. First, open the mobile. Clean this section of the charging connector of the mobile motherboard. Remove the old charging connector and add a new connector. How to repair Huawei P30 Lite not charging problem. Start by inspecting and cleaning the charging dock strip. It will be necessary to replace the complete charging dock strip if the issue persists or if the strip's pins are damaged. Check the voltage of the charging connector's first pin, which is the pin closest to the right, using a multimeter. The charging pin should be resoldered if there is a problem. Check the capacitor's voltage after that. Find out if the capacitor is shorted if it displays 0. Replace the capacitor if needed. If not, move on to the following action. Check the connection between the capacitor and charging pin. Resolder the connection if required, or install a jumper to repair the issue. Power is supplied to the Samsung Galaxy A31 A315F board via the capacitor. The following are some of the most common reasons for difficulty in charging and other battery-related issues, such as the gray battery issue, shorted or defective diode, shorted or defective capacitors, defective resistors, poorly functioning or damaged charging coil, shorted or faulty integrated circuit, poorly functioning USB port, incomplete connection. The Huawei P30 Lite charging problem can be repaired with a few simple steps. With the help of a few tools, you can diagnose the issue and then replace the faulty components. If done correctly, your phone should be functioning normally and charging properly in no time.